girl. Hi everybody, it's Mrs. McCarthy. I just want to let you know that we are going to be starting a brand new writing unit about how to. And I am going to share with you how to teach your dog how to roll over. So first of all, I'm going to have B sit. B sit. All right, now wait a minute. I got to get you so that I see you. All right, first we need to make sure that you knows how to sit first. And she does. She's looking for her treat. Beatrice, here you go. Sit. Good girl. Now it's time to lay down and good job, B. Give me a high five. Good girl. All right, boys and girls, I am going to be writing down now on my graphic organizer how I got Beatrice to roll over. Stay tuned. We'll see you later.